There are several possibilities to do sections. Let's take a pointer and point to a normal of a face. Then this will determine the section direction. We can set several options. For instance, if it should be, the section should be showed filled in one color or per object color which has been sectioned. If you would like to see the section pane itself or not. So however you like. Another possibility is to determine a direction by an edge. Now let's rotate a bit so you can see it better. And now the direction for the sectioning has been determined by the selected edge. The edge can also be a circle or whatever, might have any kind of shape. And if we then pull at this handle, it will always follow the line. In case you would like to prevent certain objects from being sectioned, we have some properties to determine that. So per default, all objects can be sectioned. So we said these two should not be sectioned, and you can see they will remain unsectioned. Sometimes people would like to do multiple sections at a time. So at the same, on an equal distance, like 10 millimeters, and then throughout the whole geometry, which we did here, just a few clicks away. And finally, sometimes people would like to really cut one part into two pieces. And this is something 3DViewStation also can do. So if we move the other half of the part, then you can see it's also filled.